and the common ways they manifest themselves in adults. Inner child wounds are often the cause of childhood trauma, abuse, or neglect, and can affect how an adult perceives.
This would be a concept of using principles, because that's what these are good for. These are not a way of life. These aren't telling you what to do. These are available tools that you have with you in metaspace and within your own flesh and existence. Your tools. Okay? I am a firm believer that you've also heard without getting uncomfortable, there is no growth. You've also heard without trauma, there is probably not much growth. The difference is we tend to absorb trauma and uncomfortability instead of taking it and alchemizing it. And that would be making a change, or done through activity, or done through, a kind gesture. Like, shit, you have a problem with someone?
The students of Hermes believed and taught that before material transmutation, thou shalt first learn the true hermetic art of mental transmutation.
Someone read the definition of mental transmutation, please.
The ability to take emotions, thoughts, attitudes, ideas, and mental pathways and system through analysis.
Okay, now that alchemizing.
Not as much anymore. I can strike up a conversation. It became a lot more energy.
Okay, you feel the tingle? You can probably already feel it a little bit, right? So you feel the tingle, you feel the stimulation, it starts to feel real nice. Just stay with your focus. You don't want to break your focus. That's what breaks our focus, right? So stay with your focus. I'll be on the mic, right? But I'll give you the time. So we'll do it. So we'll do it.
Sun setting, it's got a different feel and look to me. I'm feeling better about it. This originally felt a lot lighter than the
Clarence with a live painting.
Thank